Hello everyone, I am Shubham Jain, an equity research intern with inSAKE Solutions. Today, module 2 got unlocked of the equity research course that we got. Course today round around the importance of ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is a key component when analyzing a financial statement of a firm because of its flexibility that it offers. That is, by doing ratio analysis, you can compare between two companies at different points in time and the company itself along various years. There are various main ratio analysis that can be done, two of which were discussed today, namely profitability ratio and operating ratio. The profitability ratio was started with explaining the importance of profits to an organization, which ultimately helps in creating value for the shareholders. The main profitability ratios discussed were gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, and fixed asset turnover ratio. One is operating ratio, which is also known as activity ratio. It also helps in understanding the the competitiveness of the management. That is why it is also sometimes referred to as management ratio. The key ratios discussed were operating ratio, inventory turnover ratio, and different turnover ratios. That was it for day 2. And looking forward for more happening and exciting content in the upcoming modules. Thank you.